Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your A's on Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for duolingo.com. So here it is. Now make sure you log into it. After that, simply click on this More button. At first, if we try and profile, simply tap on this edit button and we can see there is no such option for changing our A's, and we cannot directly change our A's from the profile. So let's go for more and click on help. Now we can see various help options here, but there is no such option for changing A's. So let's go for this button option, that is submit bug report. Simply tap on this. Now enter your email address, your subject, that is changing A's, and enter the description that your A's was mistaken, so you want to change this. And you can choose the type of issue. Simply click on other bug, and you can add the attachment about your A's details as well. Once you are done with all of this, simply click on submit. After which we'll get a reply from Duolingo and your A's can be changed. So this is all we can do to change A's on Duolingo. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.